Summer is here, and when it's hot outside, the last thing I want to do is turn on my oven. So let me show you the chia cups I live off all summer. 1 base, 3 flavors. And by the end of this video, you have a full week of grab-and-go snacks for a little over $1. This is one of those meal preps you can do half asleep on a Sunday and still have it turn out beautiful. We're taking one simple batch of chia pudding and turning it into 3 delicious summer flavors. You mix the base once, then it's scoop, layer, and repeat. Let's start with the base. In a large mason jar, add your chia seeds, plant milk, a little sweetener, and vanilla. Give it a really good stir so every seed is coated. Let it sit in the fridge for about an hour. Stir again to break up any clumps and back in the fridge until it's thick. Overnight is perfect. Chia pudding is packed with fiber and plant-based omega-3s, so it's actually filling. First up, mango coconut. I'm adding a layer of fresh mango to the bottom of my glass. Next comes a layer of that creamy chia pudding. Then another layer of mango and a sprinkle of shredded coconut. This one tastes like a tropical vacation in a cup. This one might be my favorite because it has so much texture. To boost the blueberry flavor, I'm making a quick compote from frozen blueberries, a little vanilla, and agave. After about 10 minutes, it becomes thick and jammy. I love keeping a batch in the fridge for parfaits, pancakes, and dessert all week long. This one has everything I love in a parfait. It's creamy, fruity, slightly nutty, and the blueberry flavor really shines through. Every bite gives you a little sweetness and a little crunch, which makes it hard to stop eating. Now we're taking this chia pudding in a completely different direction. By mixing a little cocoa powder into part of the pudding, it transforms it into a rich chocolatey layer that pairs perfectly with fresh strawberries. As these layers come together, it starts tasting a little like chocolate-covered strawberries in a parfait form. You get the sweetness from the berries, the richness from the chocolate, and that creamy pudding texture throughout. If you're someone who always wants a little dessert after dinner, this one is going to be hard to resist. Look at how gorgeous these turned out. 3 completely different flavors from one simple batch of chia pudding. This is exactly why I love meal prep recipes like this. You do a little work once, and then you've got refreshing, filling cups ready whenever you need breakfast or a snack on a hot day. Which one would you try first? The tropical mango coconut, the blueberry almond, or the strawberry chocolate? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more affordable plant-based recipes just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.